Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to help you fix if you're getting the same error message. Sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time. So we're currently here at Google Drive and I've created a sample folder. And all you have to do is click on the specific folder that you want to download. Next is click on this three dot icon that says more actions. Then hover your mouse on organize, then click on Add Shortcut. Just choose a specific location where you can easily re-access the specific folder. Say for example, we're going to add this on my drive and we're just going to create a new folder. We're just going to name it sample folder 1. Then click on create. And in this newly created folder, we're just going to add the specific file. Just click on add. And from here, you can now download this newly created file. Since no other users are trying to view or download this folder, not unless you share this file with others. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!